Now, when we start with the Iron Age, okay, first we need to take a note that this age is the end of the lithic period, that is the Stone Age period. So here the Stone Age or the human being would be having completely settled life. He had started the manufacturing process, he had moved towards the industrial phase, and he is producing the agriculture produce at a large pace, secondly with more efficiency, and he had also got some of the irrigation practices. Now, what is irrigation? Irrigation is manually or artificially making water available for your agricultural purpose. So here the man started to irrigate his farms. Now, the irrigation was only possible due to the invention of the iron. The plows or the bullock carts were being manufactured or were being able to design just due to the invention of the iron. Okay, now that is why this period is known as the Iron Age. Okay, now here you will see that the iron smelting is done. Okay, and here the complete settled agriculture or settlement life was being followed. Now this is also the period when major of the cities were being established, ancient cities. They started to have their own kind of economy during this period. And these cities at the Iron Age would be developing into the bigger hubs of the ancient Indian period. And these hubs were known as the Mahajanapadas in the future or after the Vedic period. Okay, so here you can see the Ganga Valley. Okay, the Ganga Valley all around would be having this settled kind of agriculture, the settled kind of the manufacturing, which was possible only due to the invention of the iron. Okay, now after this period we begin with the Jainism, invention of the Jainism and the Buddhism also. Okay, so this Iron Age is quite a long age where we would be studying what were these minor cities and the major cities. So major 16 cities were known as the Mahajanpadas, and at the initial stage they were termed as the minor cities. Okay, so in upcoming lectures, stay with me. We would be discussing with the IVC, and after that the initiation of the Mahajanpadas. Okay, thank you.